Hi, this is Vivian from Vivian Real Estate Costa Rica, and we are here in Esparza, Punta Arenas. Look at that ocean view. Come on, let's go see a little bit more and then go see inside.